Okay, the next step will be to bring the carriage, which will actually hold the mattress. It's the part that has the wheels on the bottom, into place. And you'll notice that there are some straps with a metal hook, and I'm going to make sure that those stay in order. You don't want those straps to get all twisted up. At the back of the carriage on one of these dowels, you'll find a metal hexagon or octagon rod. That will be connected between the two drives in a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect that, just get that out of the way. We'll use that in a minute in a different step. But what we're going to do is we're going to move this carriage mechanism back into the cavity of the cabinet, about that far, leaving it maybe a foot or so from the back of the cabinet. Okay, now I've found the final stretcher that's going to go into place. Now this stretcher is solid wood and it has no cam fittings. It has 2 pocket holes on either side that will be used for anchoring it to the sideboards. And it will also be used in conjunction with those straps on the carriage to retain the carriage from going out too far. So in order to make this work properly, I have the pocket screws are towards the back. Again, I'm behind the bed, and so these will be oriented to the back of the bed. There's a socket in the track back that solid wood piece will fit into on either side. But before I do that, I'm going to take that strap, and I'm going to the strap is organized where it's not twisted or anything. I'm just going to slip that over the end on the right side, and then we'll do the same thing. We'll slip it over the end on the left. We'll just leave it loose for right now. And then we're going to go ahead and place that stretcher into those sockets and push it forward. It fits nicely in those sockets. And this is the one step that we'll use the 1.5-inch grabber screws with the square tip bit. And they'll go into those pockets, and then it'll screw into the sideboard. Next, I'm going to anchor this metal bracket with the white straps to this stretcher board. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of line it up so that this strap is in line. In other words, I'm not going to put it over here or over here. I'm just going to kind of, it's not critical, but it just needs to kind of be in line. And then from the hardware kit that we provide, Wilding Wallbeds, there's some 5/8-inch panhead screws with just a Phillips bit, and I'm just going to use one of those and just anchor through that hole into that solid wood board. And then I'll do the other side the same way, just kind of get it lined up, and then I'll anchor that with the screw.